Check out Hip Hop News Uncensored on YouTube. Hip Hop News Uncensored. Jay Prince had a conversation with Larry Hoover, who is the head over growth and development. Larry Hoover has been in jail for over 40 years. He got 6 consecutive life sentences. Yet Chapo was given 1 life sentence for distributing over 500 million pounds of cocaine. Larry Hoover is not due to come up for appeal for another 19 years. So check out the brief conversation Jay Prince had with Larry Hoover, and then check out the statement that Jay Prince put out to every member of growth and development. The conditions are deplorable. He's been in isolation, solitary confinement, which means you only get out 1 hour a day. So he's been locked up by himself. I'm asking for justice for Larry Hoover. Justice for growth and development.